I started my lighthouse by just sponging on some black paint down here at the bottom to represent some rocks. I drew an outline for myself, but it's hard to see, so I'm going to have to wing it. I thought the paint was too thin, so I thickened it with some baking soda. Made it much better to work with. The wood is very rough and porous. I'm painting on a trawl tub stave. This tub would have held trawl for ground fishing, for catching like halibut, haddock, cod. I wanted to keep the natural blue that was left on here, and so I didn't sand it at all. I just wiped the dirt off and started painting. I'm just letting it dry in between. Now the last thing I did was put a black outline on everything. I decided once I did have the outline that I would like it to be a thicker outline. So I went back over and made it a bolder outline. I decided I would change the roof. I didn't like it. It was a little small. So, and I wanted it to be a little darker as well. I hope you like my lighthouse. I had a lot of fun painting it. I have another stave or two here, so I'll see what I paint on those.